Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So, stick around, it's a very short lesson, and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw KNUCKLES.EXE. So hopefully you enjoy that. It's gonna be a little simple, easy for beginners. It's gonna be a little bit of a full body shot, so let's do it. Gonna go right here, I'm gonna pull down to the bottom of Knuckles' mouth over here, pull up, and you're gonna kind of pull down. This is the mouth we're drawing, and his mouth is gonna be open. Over here now, I'm gonna pull a line downward, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, to the teeth, out. Just a bit, we're pulling a line out for the nose, like the actual nose, right? Down in here, and I'm gonna fill it out. Fill it out here. Curve. Back over here. Down. Line downward over here, as his mouth is open. Line over here. Curve underneath. Line open. Gonna curve that there. So that's his mouth open, right? He's kind of angry, he's kind of looking forward. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. If you like learning how to draw Sonic or Knuckles or anything like that, click that notification right now. The subscribe, notify, real easy stuff, and there's no downside to it. There's literally no downside. You can always unfollow later if you have to, but definitely to see all the stuff. Go over here, filling that out. I'm gonna pull it down over here, up, curve line here. Pull line up over here, in, up. Over here, out, down. Curve a line up over here, back, downward. I'm gonna go over here down, I'm gonna go to the eye, right? And I'm gonna go over here, circle, and then a circle. I'm gonna put a dot on the inside of that eye. Okay? Out for one of the tendrils. Okay. Out over here for one of the tendrils. And out over here for one of the tendrils. Curve over here for the top of the arm. And we're just gonna do like a vignette. He's gonna have his arm out there, line out over here, over there. See that? Oh, whoops! I'll pick a different marker, but it's kind of destroyed. Line down over here. Curve line here for the front of his chest. And line out over here like he's screaming. He's like, "What?" Over here now we're gonna go to the chest. Curve underneath for that crest he has on his chest. And curve over here. Line over here back. Line over here. Fill it out. Line. And now I'm just going to fill in the sclera, which is the white of the eye. Don't forget, if you want to learn drawing in general, I go over every single thing, like out of the face. I go over all that stuff over on sketchingeasy.com. So go check out sketchingeasy.com. It's a really good, I'm filling this in flat. It's a really good resource to kind of like get yourself drawing it to the next level. You know, that's like a big thing, right? If you want to kind of level up, so definitely consider going there, sketchingeasy.com, and just taking a lesson. There's a beginner drawing lesson that's totally free. You have to go on there and click on the dragon, and that would be probably the best thing you can do, because you can start from the ground up. in terms of how like basically how you want to learn. Most people don't really draw like properly. So I'll give you an example, right? So for example, when you write, you're writing like this, right? You're writing like this. You're moving at the you're anchoring at the wrist. You're writing like that. But drawing, so for example, when I pulled that drawing, see how it's different? I'm moving kind of at the elbow, a little bit at the shoulder of my shoulder right here. You know what I mean? I'm moving my hand differently. And the muscles, sometimes you need to get those muscles used to doing these cool things, and it's not always like that. Like a lot, some people just don't know how to practice those muscles. I didn't create them, but there's some exercises you can do, and I put them on there. You can get rid of like shaky hands. You can have control, because half of drawing is controlling your marker or your pencil. Go check that out. There's a free lesson on there. It's sketchingeasy.com. Go take a look at it. And thank you very much. That is pretty much the end of the lesson. That was knuckles.exe. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll talk to you next time.